Hey, my little learners. I hope that you all are fine and doing great things at your home. Now, as you can see, the ing verbs exercise on your screen, and that we are gonna do in this session. So, I just want you to pay attention properly and keep a pencil in your hand so you can write down all the answer, okay, which you can see. Now, without wasting a time, we will learn it and we will do it. So, let's get started. So the question is fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs with ing. And my dear students, I hope that you all already seen the video which I have already sent, and we will do it again. So the first sentence, Siddhil was dash the door, and the verb over here which is given is close. See, I am pointing with my pen. Now this verb ends in e, right? And e is a vowel, and I have already told you that when the verb ends in e, what you have to do, you have to remove the e and write down ing form. So here I have already done. I have removed the e and write down ing, so the answer will be closing. So I'm reading the sentence. Sital was closing the door. Second, the boys are dashed in the river. Here the verb ends with the consonant, and before the consonant you can see there is a vowel. So where there is a vowel before the consonant, okay, what you have to do, you have to make it double. And I have already done, see, I have doubled it, okay, SWI double MING. So the boys are swimming in the river. Third one, Tina is dash a horse. Here again the verb ends in E. So I know that you will already do it, okay, means you will do it and you have already learned it. So what you have to do, you have to remove the e and write down ing form instead of e. So the answer will be riding, and Tina is riding a horse. The fourth one, the children are dash under the tree. Now my dear students, first of all you have to see what the verb is given over here. The verb over here, it's sit, okay. So the last letter of the verb is consonant, and before the consonant there is vowel. I is a vowel. What you have to do, you have to double the consonant. I have already done for you. So write down sitting, okay. See, ये t double हो जाएगा. The children are sitting under the tree. We were dash in the garden. So see, the verb is play. So when the verb ends with y, what you have to do, you have to only add on ing form, and that I have done. We were playing in the garden. You don't have to remove anything over here. Sixth number, the teacher was dash a poem. Now see here, the verb ends with ch, okay. So simply you have to add ing. You don't need to remove anything, okay. You have to just simply add on ing form, and the answer is teaching. The teacher was teaching a poem. Got it? If I will make another sentence, that I was dash my phone, and if the verb is search, so the verb search ends with ch. What I will do, I was searching my phone, or I was searching my mobile, okay. So after ch, what you have to do, after ch you have to add on ing, okay. Don't remove anything, okay, only you have to add on ing form. Here's 7 number, Rasmi was dash later, and the verb itself ends in e. So what you have to do, you have to remove the e and write down ing instead of e. So Rasmi was writing a letter, okay, as I have done it, you can see on the screen. And 8 number, Aman is dash the cake. Over here the consonant at the last you can see, okay. When the verb ends, the consonant you can see, and before the consonant there is a vowel, means u. U is a vowel. What you have to do, you have to double the consonant. So Aman is cutting the cake. So my dear students, I have already told you all the things, all the rules about it. I know that you all know it about. So whenever it will be asked in the examination, okay, see it that whether, where, or when you have to change the verb, what you have to double, okay, and what you have to write, okay. So I hope that you will do it in the examination and you will get good mark. Okay, so here we will do the next exercise on page number 28. So just turn your page. Okay, so my dear students, as you can see over here, the next exercise. Okay, I am reading the question. Write question with what, where, how many to get the underlined words as answer. Now see, what we have to do first, we have to see that which word has got the underline. Okay, किस वर्ड के नीचे अंडरलाइन की गई है. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट इट्स आंसर. Okay, it is an answer. We have to make the question, okay, by using the answer. So first I'm reading for you. There are 10 marbles in the glass. Means 10. 10 means number is given. Whenever the number is given, you have to make the question by using how many. And as I have written, okay, so see, instead of 10, I have used how many. So means how you will make the question? How many marbles? See, how many marbles are there in the glass? Okay, so how many marbles are there in the glass? And when you will ask the question, the answer will be there are 10 marbles in the glass. Okay, so that one thing you have to keep in your mind, that whenever the number will be given, you have to make the question with how many. Second, नितिन इज लर्निंग इंग्लिश. अगर मैं इसका एक क्वेश्चन बनाऊं तो क्या होगा? नितिन इंग्लिश लर्न कर रहा है. ओके, वो इंग्लिश को लर्न कर रहा है, मीन्स इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज है उसको लर्न कर रहा है. लेकिन इंग्लिश मीन्स क्या? ऑब्जेक्ट है क्या. ओके, सो क्या मीन्स व्हाट. ओके, सो आई हैव मेड व्हाट इज नितिन लर्निंग एंड द आंसर विल बी नितिन इज लर्निंग इंग्लिश. द थर्ड वन, सेम थिंग. Abhay is reading a story book. Okay, Abhay story book read कर रहा है. Okay, because the, see here ing form is given, and ing form, whenever the ing form is given, it is like the sentence itself says that whether the action is going on or the action has already finished but it was going on in some time in past, or it will be going on in the future. But here Abhay is reading a book. That means Abhay is reading a book right now. Okay, so Abhay reading कर रहा है क्या? स्टोरी बुक. लेकिन हम क्या करेंगे? पहले देखेंगे कि अंडरलाइन कौन से वर्ड पे की गई है. यहाँ पर है स्टोरी बुक. तो स्टोरी बुक मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट है ये स्टोरी बुक. तो हम कैसे क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे? पहले हिंदी में क्वेश्चन बनाओ कि अभय क्या रीड कर रहा है. क्या मीन्स व्हाट इज अभय रीडिंग. गॉट इट. फोर्थ नंबर, फादर इज गोइंग टू जामनगर. ओके, जामनगर. अब ये यहाँ मैं अगर क्वेश्चन बनाऊंगा तो मैं कैसे बनाऊंगा कि फादर कहाँ जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो कहाँ मीन्स वेयर. ओके, you can see over here I'm pointing with my pen. So I have already made where is your father going. Okay, you can write like this. Where is your father going? Father is going to Jamnagar. Okay, but we will make the question like where is your father going, and the answer will be father is going to Jamnagar. 5 number, Jay is buying 2 pens. Okay, this is very important thing. Okay, that I just want to draw your attention over here. See, pens means already we have that Jay is buying 2 pens, and whenever 2, that means number. I have already told you that whenever the number will be there, what you have to use? How many. I have used how many. But here you will not use like how many pen is Jay buying. Okay, it's a wrong formation of the question. So what you have to do, you will write down how many pens are Jay buying. Because अगर वो एक पेन बाय कर रहा होता, ओके, तो वो यहाँ पर नंबर नहीं दिया गया होता. एंड वी विल नॉट आस्क अबाउट द हाउ मेनी, मीन्स वी विल नॉट आस्क अबाउट द नंबर्स. ओके, मीन्स इफ इट इज ओनली 1, okay, we will not use how many. Okay, because we know it that it has means C has one pen, or C he has a one pen. Okay, whatever we can write down inside. But here it is already given two pens. So what we will make it? How many pens are Jay buying? And the answer will be Jay is buying two pens. Okay, numbers दिया गया है. See, two means number. Sixth number, the poem is ringing the bell. Ring the bell. तो अगर इसका अगर मैं क्वेश्चन बनाऊंगा तो कैसे फॉर्म होगा? प्यून. ओके, सॉरी, पोएम नहीं, प्यून. द प्यून इज रिंगिंग द बेल. प्यून क्या कर रहा है? ओके, प्यून बेल बजा रहा है. सो क्या कर रहा है? क्या मीन्स वॉट. सो वॉट इज द प्यून डूइंग? एंड द आंसर विल बी द प्यून इज रिंगिंग द बेल. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, the cows are grazing in the field. See, place. Okay, cows graze तो कर रही है, लेकिन कहां पे? फील्ड में. तो कहां? ओके, मीन्स कहां ग्रेज कर रही है, कहां पर ग्रेजिंग कर रही है. तो कहां मीन्स वेयर आर द cows grazing, because the cows are plural. See, you can see over here. Oh, it is not written over here cow, it has written cows. Okay, Mita has a dozen book. Dozen. Now dozen means it's a number. Dozen means 12. Okay. Dozen means 12. Half dozen means 6. What you have to do? You have to make the question with how many? By using how many? So dozen means 12. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay. If it will be asked in the examination, what you have to do? You have to keep in your mind that dozen means 12. So how many notebooks does Mita have? Mita has a dozen notebook. How many notebooks does Mita have? Okay, simple question. 9 number. The thief is hiding in the cupboard. Okay. The thief is hiding in the cupboard. In the cupboard, that means place. Okay, thief means चोर. चोर कहाँ छुप गया है? Means कहाँ छुप रहा है? कपबोर्ड के अंदर. Okay, means place दी गई हो. जहां पर भी place दी गई हो, you have to use where. See, where is the thief hiding? Okay, again, where is the thief hiding? And the answer we have right now. Okay, you can see in the front of your screen, the thief is hiding in the cupboard. 10 number. Amar and Chetan are playing tennis. Now this is very important for you, my students. See, there are two persons, Amar and Chetan. Why should I write two names over here? Instead of two names, I have already used they, because two nouns are there. Okay, two different nouns. So if there is more than one, means plural form, and plural form के लिए क्या use होगा? they. Now Aman and Chetan are playing tennis. Okay, तो मैं अगर क्वेश्चन बनाऊंगा तो कैसे फॉर्मेट होगा क्वेश्चन? कि अमर और चेतन क्या खेल रहे हैं? क्या means what? So what you have to write? What are they playing? Okay, what are they playing? Or you can write what are Amar and Chetan playing? But instead of Aman and Chetan, write down they. Okay, what are they playing? Got my point? Okay, so write down like this. What are they playing? When the two names are given over here, and when the object is underlined. Okay, see here, object is underlined. Okay, means we have to make the question by using what. क्या खेल रहा है? Means what are they playing? And the answer will be Aman and Chetan are playing tennis. What are they playing? As I have written, and you can see on your screen. So here, question number 5. It is very easy for you. What you have to do is you have to use the conjunction. Now conjunction are words, okay, which joins two sentence or two words. यहां पर हमें क्या करना है? यहां जो फुल स्टॉप लिखा है उसको रिमूव करके कंजक्शन लिखना है. कौन से कंजक्शन? एंड और बट. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज हर्ष वर्क हार्ड, ही डिड नॉट सक्सीड. हर्ष ने बहुत ही मेहनत की लेकिन वो सक्सेस नहीं हो पाया. तो मैंने क्या किया? दो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स है, देखो, दो डिफरेंट सेंटेंस है, एक दूसरे से मिलजुलते नहीं है. तो क्या किया? हर्ष वर्क हार्ड, उसने बहुत मेहनत की, लेकिन, बट मीन्स लेकिन, did not succeed. I have not used he over here. Okay, you don't need to write the subject again and again. Okay, आपको सब्जेक्ट दोबारा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप क्या करोगे? हर्ष वर्क हार्ड but did not succeed. Second number, I went to the library I read some books. Very easy. I went to library and here the conjunction is and. Okay, I am underlining right now. I went to library and read some books. Got it? Next. So if you will not write fast, what will happen? The teacher will not check your notebook. Okay? So write fast and give your notebook to the teacher. Last number. It is raining. I have to go to school. It is raining. But लेकिन मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ेगा. Okay, I have to. Okay, I have to go to school. It is raining, but I have to go to school. Okay, so two different sentences. Okay, जब दो अलग अलग sentences हो, what you have to do? You have to use but. Okay, and I will make another video on conjunction. I will send it to you so you will get it properly. Okay, and whenever it will be asked in the examination, okay, it will be very easy for you, my dear students, to write down. So here, write 10 sentences on my favorite game. I'm just giving this as HW to you. Write down. Don't worry, I will send you the answer. Okay, but write down. Okay, आपको जैसा भी आता हो, write down. Try to write it. Okay, because when you will write, okay, I know that you will somehow there will be mistakes, but if you will write, then only you will learn. Okay, so this is HW for you, and I will write down the answer and I will send it to you. So till that, take care. Bye bye.